Hello everyone! In this session, I will guide you through the process of attending a quiz, submitting an assignment, and unlocking your course completion certificate in the LMS. Attending a quiz. To begin, log in to the LMS portal using your registered email ID and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard, where all your enrolled courses will be displayed. Click on My Courses and select your respective course. For example, if you are enrolled in the Data Analytics course, click on the course name to enter the course page. Inside the course, navigate to the relevant module. Within each module, you will find a quiz section. Click on the quiz to view its details. You will be able to see important information such as number of questions, number of attempts allowed, grading method, and passing criteria. For instance, you may have 5 attempts allowed. The grading method will be based on the highest grade achieved. The minimum passing grade may be 3 out of 5. To begin the quiz, click on Start Attempt. Carefully read and answer all the questions. Once you have completed the quiz, click on Finish Attempt. Then click on Submit and Finish. Ensure that you confirm the submission when prompted. After successful submission, your marks will be displayed according to the grading system. Submitting an assignment. Next, let us see how to submit an assignment. Go to the Assignment section within the course module. Click on the respective assignment to open it. Carefully read the assignment instructions, including the submission deadline and file format requirements. Prepare your assignment file in the required format, such as PDF or Word, as specified. Please note, the maximum file size allowed is 2 MB. Only one file can be uploaded per submission. Click on the Upload option and select your file. After uploading, click on Submit. You can verify your submission status in the same section under Submission Status. If submitted successfully, the status will display as Submitted. Ensure that you complete your submission before the due date, as late submissions may not be accepted. Unlocking the certificate. Finally, let us understand how to unlock your course completion certificate. To unlock the certificate, you must complete all course modules, attend and pass all quizzes, submit all assignments within the specified deadline, achieve the required passing grade. Once all the completion criteria are met, the certificate section will be unlocked automatically. Navigate to the Certificate section within your course. Click on Download Certificate to access your certificate. Please note that certificate generation is fully automated and depends strictly on meeting the course completion requirements. That concludes the process of attending quizzes, submitting assignments, and unlocking your course completion certificate. Thank you very much.